It's me, Elsie, and today we're gonna play some Roblox. I say it so fast I can't even hear myself. And today we are with a special guest.
Raina!
Grr.
Raina? What?
Okay, restart that. Hold on. Hello, everyone. It's me, Elsie, and today we're gonna play some Roblox. And what the heck? That was just a firework that just went off. And we are gonna play some Roblox, and we're gonna play Build a Boat to Survive. We are with a special guest.
Raina! I'm so
Grr.
I was hidden behind the tree the whole time because I was stalking.
And you never saw her. Okay. There's another firework.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, I really like your shirt.
Yeah.
It's so good. Oh my gosh.
It's so awesome. So she's never played this game, so she's a noob in this game. So we are going to teach her. So we have some blocks. Go to the thing. I'll get back to you guys when we build the perfect boat. Guys, we got the floor down and the chairs. Why are you on my head?
Because I want to.
Okay. And then we got crappy blocks. We're gonna surround it with crappy blocks.
Those are rusty blocks, not crappy.
Yes, they are. Look at them. They're crappy.
They have crap on them. Like,
yeah. Okay.
Don't make me touch those. I touch them with my tiny toes. What are you doing?
Okay. Okay, let's. Boom, boom, boom. And ready, set. When I hit this block, it is going to pause as fast as it can. Go. We are in work in progress right now.
It's a whip.
Yeah.
Whip. I think she's building a castle. I have no clue.
It's amazing, right? It looks like a Demogorgon, like a baby Demogorgon when you look up and it's like.
What the heck was that noise?
It's like. We're gonna we're gonna make the roof, guys. Okay, guys, this is our boat. It's like a battleship. So
yeah.
You can see a little window. Actually, we need one more thing. Hold on. We need window. We need Windex. There.
Okay. Now can I press go?
No. Okay. This is our boat. It's just normal
really
post. Do it.
Yes.
See, we can see each other. I can see you, Raina.
I can see you too because I'm not blind.
I can see you because I'm on first person. This guy better not push us somewhere else, because if he does, I'll be mad. Because I'm the one who did all the work.
Because I had no more items left. I'm newbie to this game. There's rocks! Shoot the cannons! Shoot it!
I am. What's a rice car?
What's a rice car?
Wait, I shot that. This game is dumb. Oh, one of our cannons gone.
You're the one that picked this game. What are we doing? Oh.
Yeah, we get gold for. What the heck is that guy doing?
No freaking clue.
Remember when I thought you played this game before.
No, I haven't.
One time me and Gabe were playing this game, And we were like, I think we were like kind of far on it, and he goes, "Don't waste our cannons on those tiny rocks." And then the next one, they were like really huge. That guy fell. I think he died. Oh, he didn't.
What are those?
Why is that guy still alive? Don't ever say that again.
What are those?
No!
What are those?
What the heck? Did you see that guy just flying? Okay, I think we're doing pretty good because this is a sick boat.
Sick. So sick. I'm gonna throw up.
Rainagur.
What?
Rainagur.
I don't know what that means.
It means that you're mad, so like Rainagur.
Okay. Kind of weird. That's a lot of crunchy noises coming from a good boat.
It is a good boat. See?
Yeah.
Like barely anything is being like, okay, we have to start using our cannons.
I was using the cannons.
Oh, I thought that was the other guy.
Well, what is this?
It's okay. It helps us actually.
Is our cannon gonna go?
I don't think so.
Yay, we're floating.
We won't. If we die, go to the closest block possible. Okay. Oh my gosh! Look under me.
Oh.
You're gonna die. Wait, what is that red? Ah! Oh my gosh, the floor of our boat.
The floor is lava.
Okay, we're good. We're good. Because the floor is... Oh my gosh, we're facing the floor. You're dying. No. I'm still alive.
Say something.
I'm just a floating chair.
That's scary.
You'll see in the video. Like, it's still connected a little bit. Ah! Them cannons. They're trying to shoot at me, but they suck.
You guys
maybe.
might hear my siblings talking. Okay, people?
Yeah, peoples. Oh my gosh, I see your floating body just... Oh, it's gone. I see your floating chair. The floating chair you were sitting in.
It floats?
Yeah, it's floating. Wait, I'm going in sand? No! What the heck? Okay, I'm going back up.
Did you die?
No, not yet.
Still?
I'm still alive. I mean, I'm close to, like, being dead. But you can start working on our new boat.
Let's see.
And I died. Sad face. Okay, guys, so Raina had to leave. And because she had to leave the call, so I made this beautiful boat for nothing. And this guy was in here, but he just died.
Wait, what?
And Lucy's on the phone.
Wait, what are you doing? Ow! Mango,
She's
stop
playing
fighting
with Mango the troublemaker.
Hey, Mango, stop fighting me.
And I think
Ah!
I'm going to end it here. Bye.